After returning early this morning from the World Health Assembly in Geneva, Health Minister Lin Tsou-yen went directly to President Tsai Ing-wen and Premier Lin Tsou-yen to report on the global conference on health issues. Tsai later said Taiwan's participation under the title of Chinese Taipei wasn't belittling, but Lin, in separate comments, conveyed his sympathy for those who called the label offensive.
With the WHA concluded, Minister of Health and Welfare Lin Tsou-yen headed straight for the presidential office today after his return flight from Geneva touched down this morning.
Thanks to everyone's hard work, not only was our participation a success, but we also avoided participating under a belittling label and didn't encounter any political obstruction. The results lived up to our expectations.
However, the question of why Lin described the delegation as Chinese Taipei and failed to mention Taiwan during his 5-minute address at the WHA also followed him all the way back to Taiwan. He finally answered the question at a press conference.
We formally participated under the designation of Chinese Taipei, and in the previous 7 assemblies we used the terms Chinese Taipei and Taiwan interchangeably. There are some of our citizens who feel our participation at this assembly under the label of Chinese Taipei was demeaning, even though it was our formal designation at the WHA. I can sympathize with this feeling.
Even members of the ruling DPP weren't happy with Lin's failure to mention Taiwan in his speech.
He didn't directly say Taiwan and just used Chinese Taipei. We're really dissatisfied.
Ministry of Foreign Affairs officials said although they weren't completely satisfied with the title of Chinese Taipei, which had been selected through a process of negotiation, they were forced to put up with it in the interest of Taiwan's participation in the important international event.